No, you can't. You'll. Oh, Bradford, don't. You'll get. This hits you, your head will break. Your head will break. I'm telling you. Literally, they. Look at that. Don't go. They they got tin over there that can come flying, you know.
Come inside here.
Wait, son. Do- That terega. Good. It's hitting this way, no? It's coming this way, no? It is only over there it hit. This one is safe, you know. Much of the blunder. No, the breeze. It will stop, but now it will stop. Saved my, this the wind that hit. No, it saved and thing. Not much damage. Sun has come out. No, my God. The hills are coming to view. No, it was just one thing of that only, you know. And now the sun comes out. After hill, the sun comes out. It's very funny, you know. This is all due to global warming, you know. All due to the infidels and things they don't believe. Lucky no one